Welcome back, Tool Views. I received a nice treat today, and I'd like to share it with you. I'm going to keep names out, but this is a gentleman who's reached out to me a number of times asking me some stuff on boats, and he was pretty proud of what he did. And I gotta say, even though the video quality is not top-notch, but hey, it was sent via text. It looks great, and moreover, I can tell that he's happy with it, and that makes me feel really good. But wool pad on Gelcoat, sitting in the water, he's using the suction cups to hold his raft onto the side of the boat. That's a really nice, smart way to get to some low areas on a boat if it's in the water on a dock. Anyway, I'm just tickled pink, and if you guys think that I'm the only one that can do this because I've been doing it for so long, no. This guy's just been watching a lot of videos, and he asked a couple questions, and ta-da, he's in it, and I'm pretty impressed. And I thought maybe, if nothing else, maybe I can inspire you to pick up a buffer and get out there and give it a shot, and maybe you can send me a video also. Anyway, I'll be back. It's, it's still a little chilly here, so we're getting there. Later.